Okay, here we go. Last bit of soldering to go. As we did with the previous set of wires, we want to make sure that we tin these wires so that they solder easier. So just getting a little bit on there and coating. Coating and coating. Nice, easy thing to do. Now, this actual connection is your XLR connection. If you can see it there, you've got 3 pins. 1 and 2 are top opposite each other, and 3 is on the bottom. So if you're looking at it head on, 1 is on the left top, 2 is on the right top, 3 is on the bottom. So you need to identify what color goes with, and I always put my finger on it like this is pin number 1, so that when I flip it over I don't forget. So for me, pin number 1 is a black wire. Do not assume that yours is going to be a black wire. It may not be a black wire. So all I'm going to do is take my black wire, pin number 1 wire, and thread it into slot number 1 on the PCB board, PCB number 2 board, the one that's hanging down. So it's actually got a little hole in it. You can see that it is now looped up in and pushed in. For me, number 2 is red. So I want to thread number 2, the red wire over into slot number 2. And wire number 3 by default then has to be white. Blacks in. I've actually tinned the red wire too much. It's too thick to go in the hole. Should fix that. I said it should fix it. Come on, that should fix that. There we go. Now make sure they're all pushed through nice and good. Here's our last bit of soldering. Spot number 1. Capture it in there. Try not to mess up any of your previous solders if you can help it. I just accidentally touched one and saw it get hot, so I changed the direction of my needle or my soldering iron real quick at the end there. Okay, so again, we just check that by kind of giving each one a gentle tug. Looks good. And that's that. That is 100% everything on board that had to be on board. You can now take your cleaner and go in. Give those last ones a little clean there. And all the soldering is now done for this body.